Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you all. We're going to dive deep into SociSmart, the certification program that claims to revolutionize your social media marketing strategy. So, if you're looking to harness the power of the fastest-growing social media platform, Threads, and unlock untapped secrets from a massive audience, stick around. Alright, let's start by taking a look at SociSmart's official website. The program is introduced as a groundbreaking certification program designed by Cindy Donovan, promising to provide you with backdoor access to 185.32 million people on Threads. It offers a 5-day certification program where you'll learn 10 beginner-friendly income streams using the Threads app. The program's front-end price is $17, which seems quite reasonable, but keep in mind that prices may vary depending on when you visit the site. They also offer various upsells, so it's essential to understand your needs before making a decision. SociSmart boasts several features that caught our attention. First, they provide membership dashboard access, acting as a central hub for all the resources and tools you need. This is a plus for anyone who wants a convenient way to stay organized during the program. Another fantastic aspect of SociSmart is the expert-only resources. These insider knowledge materials give you a competitive edge in your social media marketing efforts. Additionally, the 5-day challenge videos and PDFs promise to enhance your learning experience with practical tips and strategies. But wait, there's more. SociSmart offers some tempting bonuses like the 30-day DFY content planner, Threads insider secrets, and more. They even provide bonus resources in the upsells, so it's worth checking those out if you decide to go for them. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about Threads, the app at the heart of this program. They claim it's officially the fastest-growing social media platform ever, and SociSmart is here to help you establish, master, and monetize it. The idea of turning a mobile phone into a source of traffic, sign-ups, and sales is pretty appealing, especially for those starting in the digital marketing world. SociSmart can be used in various ways, from enhancing your social media marketing strategy to monetizing the Threads app and becoming a recognized expert in your niche. But like any program, there are pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, SociSmart seems to offer a comprehensive certification program, and the success stories from satisfied customers are encouraging. Exclusive resources, access to the growing Threads platform, and bonuses add to the value. However, limited availability and keeping up with the 5-day challenge may be a downside for some. Also, relying solely on the Threads app can be risky, considering how quickly trends change in the social media landscape. Before you decide to jump in, do your research, and take into account your individual needs and goals. Make sure to explore alternative reviews and verify the credibility of the vendor. All in all, SociSmart seems like an exciting opportunity for those interested in leveraging the Threads app and mastering social media marketing. But remember, success in the digital world requires continuous learning and adaptation. So, if you're ready for the challenge and want to unlock your full potential in social media marketing, SociSmart might be worth a shot. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know your thoughts about SociSmart in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.